Are you tired of hearing songs from certain artists on Spotify? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily block those artists and take control of your listening experience. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Spotify app and then find the artist that you want to block. You can search for their name, or you can play their song and then view the artist's profile. So once you are on their profile, tap on these three little dots next to the follow button, and then simply tap Don't play this artist. And now Spotify won't play music from this specific artist. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.